Are you looking for the best cordless drills in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best cordless drills that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5, BOSCH PS31-12V Max 3/8 in drill. If the DEWALT DCD701F2 is overpriced or unavailable, we also like the BOSCH PS31-12V Max 3/8 in drill driver kit. In our tests, this 12-volt BOSCH couldn't drill as many 1-inch holes on a single charge as our top pick, but it still has more than enough power for general home tasks. In our own measurements, we found it to be about 5 ounces lighter than the DEWALT DCD701F2, but it feels heavier because the balance isn't as nice. The BOSCH battery slides up into the handle, making the grip fatter and not as contoured as the DEWALT's. Also, the LED doesn't illuminate as well. Even with these drawbacks, we've been using and recommending this drill for years, and we've seen firsthand a long track record of reliability. At number 4, Makita XFD14T18V LXT Lithium. If you want a lot of power but don't need a hammer drill, then the Makita LXT XFD14T is the next best thing. After testing the drill, we found that it possesses a significant amount of power. This professional level drill has an 18-volt battery, 1 12-inch chuck, 2 speed settings with a maximum of 2100 revolutions per minute, and a whopping maximum torque of 1,250 inch-pounds. The trigger is highly responsive and allows for easy speed variation within the high and low ranges. It had no issues drilling holes with a 1 12-inch spade bit, and even a 1 12-inch twist bit was able to drill through pine with ease. At 7 inches in length, this is a fairly compact drill, making it easier to work in tight areas. It includes an auxiliary side handle for better control when working at high speeds or high torque. We were impressed with the power and ease of use this drill provides. Even without a hammer drill option, it was able to drill 5 3/8-inch holes in concrete in a little over 20 seconds. We did note that the forward reverse bar is a little awkwardly placed, though. Still, this is a great drill for users who need a lot of power for large projects and want a professional level tool for serious drilling and driving. It's overkill for small projects around the house. However, the drill has 2 batteries, a charger, an auxiliary handle, and a carry bag. At number 3, CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Drill. The CRAFTSMAN V20 112 drill driver isn't our top recommendation if you are shopping on a budget and looking to use this tool as the foundation for your eventual cordless tool collection. We don't think the library of compatible tools is as popular or readily available as other battery systems, and it's overall much smaller as well. Combined with the fact that you usually only get a single battery, we suggest investing a bit more if you plan to procure more cordless versions of your favorite tools in the future. Despite that, we were overall impressed with the performance of the CRAFTSMAN given its affordable nature and would readily recommend it if you're planning to buy only a drill. Of course, if the CRAFTSMAN is still a little outside of your budget, you might consider the even more affordable Black Plus Decker 20V Max Drill Driver LDX 120C. The Black Plus Decker also features a compact design with a 20V boost to match. Although it follows in the shadow of the CRAFTSMAN, we think this is still a solid option for beginners that slashes the price in half compared to most others in this lineup. We can't deny those numbers. At number 2, Worx Nitro 20V 1/2 Cordless Brushless Drill. This drill is part of Worx's Nitro Power Tools, a line of equipment to which we've given high marks, like the smaller Rayo by above. This drill also had a problem with the 1-inch spade bit test in Douglas fir. That's not surprising. But this is a likable power tool because it's light and reasonably powerful for its size. We think it's likely a good fit for furniture assembly, small repairs, and installation jobs like hanging closet rods and blinds. We actually like the fact that it lacks a hammer mechanism, which keeps its weight down. It's unlikely you would need a hammer function in this class of product, and many homeowners don't need it anyway. If you want a heavier drill with hammer action, Worx makes a Nitro version of that too. At number 1, DEWALT 20V Max Cordless Drill. DEWALT is as popular with pros as it is with our experts. Carpenters and remodeling contractors in particular stand by the performance and reliability of DEWALT's cordless drills, says Diclerico. The DEWALT half-inch 20-volt cordless drill is a favorite with consumers too. Several of our panelists commented on the power this brushless drill packs. The long battery life makes it easier to complete a task in one go, and the easy-to-read power indicator lets you know how much charge is left. Many users found the integrated LED light, especially in 20-minute spotlight mode, to be extremely useful. The comfortable grip and compact size make it ideal for drilling and screw driving in tight spaces. It even has a hammer option, a mechanism that adds a percussion action to the bit as it rotates so it can handle tough masonry work. But weighing over 8 pounds, the DEWALT definitely requires solid arm strength to operate over a full day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.